He's struggling. Put it up. Look at him. Hey y'all, we've made it to episode 5 of the Extreme Home Makeover series. If you haven't seen episodes 1 through 4, go check that out first, then come back. Our final steps were to finish the kitchen backsplash, countertop, and floors, then add final decor pieces to the home. So I've been using this. It already has an adhesive back, but I want it to make sure that it stays. It's been working really well, so what I'll do is put a little bit on the back side, just like that, and then on the wall, and then I let it sit for like 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, until it gets super tacky. The only thing with this method though, the moment you stick it to the wall, it's kind of hard to move around. So try to take your time because it sticks really quickly, but it works. I don't want to worry about, oh, the tiles are peeling off the walls. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to hurry up and get this all done. We are rushing. This is what the cabinets look like. I'm going to hurry up as quickly as I can and do these countertops, and we have to do the floors. Okay, bye. I'm installing over poster. The reason why is because I don't expect this to be a permanent solution. I think my parents are actually gonna get these floors done properly, and you're not supposed to put peel and stick on hardwood. That's like the worst thing you could do. So this is what's going on. This is the method that I used in my old apartment. I had it in for about 2 years and it worked really well. Just make sure that the tiles are installed with no gaps. You don't want, juice spills or anything to be seeping through the tiles. This is what it's looking like. Not done, almost done. So the first thing I did was remove any debris from the countertop, and then I wiped it down with rubbing alcohol. Make sure your alcohol percentage is higher. Don't get that 30% rubbing alcohol. Get 70% or up. With the rubbing alcohol, the surface usually dries almost instantly. Next, I was just trying to plan how I was going to install the contact paper. I was deciding if I should install it along the longer length of the countertop first, or if I should go along the short side. I ended up just measuring the backsplash part of the countertop and starting off there. I figured the application would look the most smooth if the cut was along where the natural crease of the countertop was anyway. Y'all, by day 6, we were way behind schedule. So at this point, I was just moving quickly, trying to get everything done. My parents were coming home soon and we were freaking out. So there's definitely not as much footage as there was in the previous episodes. One way that I get rid of air bubbles, I don't know if you can see that. So I literally just poke a little hole, super tiny, and then you smooth it over. And then the air bubble goes away. Alright, so we finished the little coat hook area. All that trash gotta go. I was gonna build like a little cushion for them, but we just don't have time. So I'm gonna put pillows out here and it'll look good. Now we're putting up the vinyls. We started a little bit. We're gonna peel that off in a sec. So I got him tracing the recycling symbol. Little DIY here. Our parents need a recycling bin. They usually just keep a big old trash bag in the kitchen, and I'm tired of them doing that, so they have a recycling bin now. We taped it on, just like this. Rolled on the back side, and my brother's just gonna go in with a paint roller and go crazy directions, and then this will look cool. Looks pretty cool. At this point, we're near the end of our home makeover series, so we just kind of went to the store and started getting little final pieces for the home. Clocks, curtains, pillows, little knickknacks. We got everything mainly from Walmart, TJ Maxx, and Dollar Tree.